hairstyles. They seem to define the person, but somehow they're super hard to try to figure out. In this video, we're going to go over 5 hairstyles all men can pull off. They're super easy as well, so go ahead and stick around. I have a special guest on the channel today as well, so let's go ahead and jump in. I did do this as a collab with my good friend Angel over at The Style Goat. I did post a video on his channel about how to make your outfit a little bit more intricate, so I'll have that linked up here. But yeah, I'll let him go ahead and introduce himself, and then I'll also let him start off. He has 3 looks for you guys, so let's go ahead and take it over to him.
Good morning, everybody. Now, first off, I just want to give a big thank you to Mr. Martinez for letting me be on his channel today to help you find some amazing hairstyles that you can rock. Now, one of the hairstyles is a pompadour. Now, a pompadour is kind of like a quiff, like what I have right here, but it's a lot more professional looking and a lot more slick. You will look like a man of high status, somebody that is clean, and somebody that knows how to take care of himself. And the best part about this hairstyle is that yes, it does look professional, but you still look a lot of fun because you have that high volume in the front, that you are a confident man that is not afraid to show off his hairstyle. Now, another hairstyle that you can be rocking is a forward textured fringe. Now, textured fringes are for the guys with shorter hair. Now, the cool thing about fringes is that it's super easy to style this hair because it's meant for shorter hair guys. What this means is that you don't need a lot of hair. You can honestly go for 2 to 4 inches, and all you gotta do is just grab some clay, emulsify it, run it through your hair, and push it forward. And especially if you get a clean fade with it, you will look very badass. This will just make you look very edgy because there'll be a lot of texture, a lot of roughness, but still looking clean on the sides. Now, the final hairstyle that any guy can rock, especially you, and that is a slickback. Now, slickbacks are actually very easy to style for the long hair dudes because slickback, all you need is just a very good pomade and a blow dryer to make sure that all the hairs are going in a backwards direction, make sure that everything is in place. But the cool thing about the slickback is you can manipulate it where you can get a fade on the sides, or you can have longer sides and have a slick all the way around. Or instead, if you don't want to have that sleek look with a pomade, you can offer a clay, as I mentioned before, and just put some texture in it so that way it's a slick back, but it still has some edge to it. It really just depends on your personal preference, but it's a very amazing hairstyle that's super classic and will always look amazing. Now, if you're not following Mr. Martinez, you definitely need to get on it because he has amazing content in this channel, and he has an even better Instagram page with just so many outfits and daily pictures. It's incredible. I get inspired by him every single day. You should definitely check him out and follow him. And so if you want to rock some of these hairstyles, then definitely check out my channel so I can show you a tutorial on how to rock these hairstyles that any dude can rock. Thank you so much again for watching, and again, stay stylish.
Thanks so much for the kind words, Angel. Yeah, definitely. If you guys want to go ahead and give me a follow on Instagram, I'll have my stuff right here. Mine are going to be a little bit less like, I'd say meticulous. Mine are just super easy to do. I'm actually rocking one of the ones that I always rock all the time, and it's just a simple side part. Side part is super classic. It's just very easy to pull off too, and it's good for any situation, so you never have to second guess yourself if it's going to be good or bad. Now, I do have a little bit more volume in this one, and it's just because I definitely love to give myself a little bit more length on the top. And now you guys can definitely rock it whatever way you want. There's a lot of different variations of a simple side part. You don't have to have the razor side part either, so you guys can definitely rock it whatever way you guys want. But I did want to show you guys my second hairstyle. It's going to be a little bit different. I'm actually going to show you guys how I kind of style it. It is going to be a quiff, so let's go ahead and jump to my bathroom. So for this hairstyle, guys, I'm basically going to use my hair dryer, which is this guy right here. I'm going to use my 5-lane Gold Digger product. I think that this is probably one of the best products out there. I think next to like Pullman, I use Pullman a lot too. But yeah, if you guys want to check this out, it'll be down in the description down below. To start off, you basically want to have damp hair. Make sure that it's not wet, it's damp. So just run your towel through your hair just a little bit, and then go ahead and apply your product. So we'll go ahead and do that. You only want almost like a dime size amount. Not a lot. If you have a lot of hair, then yeah, I guess so. But my hair isn't that long. And just make sure that you spread it on your fingers. Make sure it disappears, so I don't have any more there. And just run it through your hair. Awesome. So now that I have it like this, I'm basically going to use my comb and then my blower to basically get the volume. So note that while I'm basically heating my hair and stuff, I'm basically pulling this front part up, and then basically in the back I'm not really worried. I usually have it pull forward. Awesome. So it is a little bit steered off, but for the most part the frame is there. So basically what we're gonna do now is just grab a little bit more product and then run it through your hair to perfect it. Alright, there we have it. It's really, really good. I like the way that it turned out, even if I'm not using my regular mirror for this. So yeah, this is the forward Quiff. As you can see, there's some rotating here. So I really like the way this was. I don't want to get at it. But again, there we go. Back up a little bit more. So everything is forward, and yeah, that is the Quiff. So you had it, guys. Those are the 5 hairstyles that me and Angel think all guys can pull off and also are easy. So I definitely want to go ahead and thank Angel for collabing with me on this little mini series that I had on each other's channels. I definitely appreciate people that want to go ahead and do more things like this. Definitely go ahead and check him out. I have his stuff down in the description below. Definitely continue to subscribe to this channel. I'm trying to hit that 500 mark really soon. Make sure to join La Familia. I want to thank you guys for your time. Make sure you guys stay healthy, stay indoors, and as always guys, style up.